In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Adobe Express. Whether you're designing social media posts, presentations, or creative graphics, knowing how to control your zoom level helps you work more precisely and comfortably while editing your project. To begin, one of the fastest ways to zoom in is by using a combination of your keyboard and mouse. With your project already open, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. While keeping it pressed, scroll your mouse wheel upward. As you do this, your canvas will smoothly zoom in, allowing you to focus closely on details such as text placement, image alignment, and design elements. This method is especially useful when you need to make fine adjustments to your work. If you want to zoom back out, simply scroll the mouse wheel downward while still holding the Control key, and your view will gradually return to a wider perspective. Another helpful option is using the built-in zoom controls inside Adobe Express. In your workspace, look toward the bottom or corner of the screen where you will typically see a zoom percentage indicator. Clicking on this indicator allows you to either select preset zoom levels or manually adjust the zoom to your preferred view. This method is ideal when you want more accuracy or consistency in how your design is displayed on screen. If you are using a laptop, you can also zoom in using your trackpad. By placing 2 fingers on the trackpad and spreading them apart, you can zoom into your design. To zoom out, simply pinch your fingers back together. This gesture-based method feels natural for many users since it works similarly to zooming on a mobile device. If you ever notice that zooming is not working properly, make sure your browser window is active and selected. It is also important to check that your mouse or trackpad settings are correctly enabled, as certain system configurations may affect zoom gestures or scrolling behavior. By using these different methods, you can easily adjust your view in Adobe Express and work more efficiently on your designs. Having flexible zoom controls helps you stay focused on both the small details and the overall layout of your project, making the editing process smoother and more precise. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.